How to find and access TikTok Shop. So let's get started. First of all, launch your TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon, you will land a new profile page. From here, navigate to top right corner and tap on three line icon. From here, tap on settings and privacy. Once you get into settings and privacy, scroll down and then under support and about section, tap on report a problem. After you wait for a while, again scroll down and then tap on chat with us. Now you can direct send your issue to the TikTok help desk and it's going to reply you back with the solution. Here you can simply type in, my TikTok shop is not showing, please help me. After you type in your issue, simply send to TikTok help desk and it will reply you back with a solution. And follow the instructions and you will be able to find and access TikTok shop in your account. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.